Okay, this is the exterior of the Harbour Hotel. Now, those buildings there, they're the colourful buildings that you see on the harbour front in Bergen, so that should make it easier for you to know where you are. Lots of food out here, so very, very central. But yeah, tourist district. So as you come through to the main door, there's a button for the taxi. Signs for fish market, restaurant, pub. The reception's here during the day. It's 3:45, it's not open, so I check in via the pub. Here's a lift, and in the pub you can use the check-in. You check in at the pub, at Belgium pub. It's not bad. You will need your key card to access the lift, but otherwise you can just use the stairs. Okay, I'm at the Harbour Hotel now. There's just a corridor there. I am at the end of it. So this is just a review of room 12. Now it is the cheapest room, and for a Saturday it cost me $187 Australian. And it is a tiny room, but enough. But it's close to the tourist area. There's your plan. As you can see, it's tiny. I guess it's enough. TV in the wall. There's a fridge and a kettle. I have to say, this is the first hotel that has a fridge and kettle. They did say that my room has breakfast. I don't remember booking breakfast, but I could be wrong. Yeah, that's it. Small. It's okay. It's doable for one person. Yeah. What's here? I don't think you can put your luggage on here. It's probably double up as a desk. That's it. At least there's a fridge. There's a room safe as well. I won't be needing that. Temperature control. Here's a bathroom. Oh yeah, there's a ottoman. Shower curtains. Hand creams. Toilet roll. Hair dryer. It's not too bad. I can't complain. Okay, they said to log in, just use the Wi-Fi and then use your email or whatever, or Facebook or whatever to log in. But it's an open Wi-Fi, and we'll do the Wi-Fi testing. It's not great, is it? This is probably worse than... This has got to be the worst Wi-Fi place I've been to. Worst hotel for Wi-Fi. Please, come on, upload speed. Oh, yuck. Really yucky. Oh well, it's better than nothing.